Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Quicreations, and today first of all we both would like to start by apologizing to you all because one of the videos that we were supposed to release last week got a little delayed. We are working on something new and we are really excited to share that with all of you guys once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that.
Now the reason why you guys are all here. Today we are going to be making really delicious and cute blue velvet cupcakes with a surprise inside. So all the equipment that we have used to make these blue velvet cupcakes is available on Amazon at very affordable prices. So we are going to put the link to all the equipment that we have used down below in the description box. So do check that out. And without further ado, let's get quick creating.
To start off with, we are going to take a big mixing bowl and a big sieve. Now we are going to throw in all our dry ingredients to the sieve, starting with maida or flour, some powdered sugar, baking powder and baking soda, and we are going to sift all these dry ingredients really well. Make sure that there are no lumps, and using a whisk we are going to whisk all these ingredients together. Once they're all combined, it's time to add our wet ingredients, starting off with salted butter, some plain yogurt or dahi. If you don't have salted butter, you can also switch to flavorless oil and then add a pinch of salt. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of milk in batches. You're going to add the milk gradually so that you make sure that the consistency of the batter that you get is a little thick. Using a whisk, we're going to whisk the milk in the batter gently like so. Keep adding the milk gradually and whisk it all together. Now is the time to add vanilla essence. If you guys have vanilla extract, then you're free to add that too, but we have used vanilla essence here since it is available at an affordable price in the market. Now we are going to divide our vanilla cake batter into two halves, and we're going to set one of the half aside. We're going to take a bread loaf tin like so, and then we're going to grease it well with butter and line it with parchment paper. Then we're going to throw in our vanilla cake batter in this tin. Now using a spatula, we're going to even the surface out so that it cooks evenly in the oven. We're going to tap it to remove any air bubbles, and now we're going to bake it. You know your cake is done when you stick a toothpick into it and it comes out clean. Now we're going to set aside our vanilla cake and we're going to work on making the blue velvet cupcakes. For that, we're going to take the other half of the vanilla cake batter that we had set aside previously, and to that we're going to add blue food gel color drops. This blue food gel color is easily available online, so you can check it out. We have posted the link in the description box below. We have used 10 food color drops over here. You can use as many color drops as you want until you get the blue color that you desire. Using a spatula, we're going to gently mix it all up. Now we're going to take a cupcake tin or a cupcake mold lined well with cupcake liners like so, and we're going to add scoop by scoop all our blue velvet cupcake batter. Silicone cupcake molds do not give the same results as the cupcake tin mold that we ordered from Amazon, so we urge you to use this cupcake tin. Our vanilla cake has completely cooled, and now we're going to serrate off the top and we're going to divide it into halves using a serrated knife. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can try to make it as even as possible. Now using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, we're going to cut out 6 hearts from this vanilla cake for our surprise inside. Now we're going to remove the excess and we're just going to keep it aside so that we can eat it later. Once that's done, it's time to assemble. We're going to take our hearts and now we're going to place them in the center of the blue velvet cupcake batter. Now this is why we've made a thick batter. A flowy batter would not be able to hold the heart in place like so. So make sure that your batter is a little dense. Once our hearts are in the place, you're going to bake it in the oven. If you guys don't have an oven, then you can also bake it in a hot pot or a kadhai using a steel cup or a katori and then placing your cupcake liner into it. Our cupcakes are ready, and now is the time for the big reveal. Let's see what our cupcakes look like. We're going to use a serrated knife and we're going to cut it into halves like so. Make sure that you cut the cupcake in the similar fashion that we have done, otherwise you won't be able to see the heart. Look at it guys, our blue velvet cupcakes with a little vanilla heart inside look so pretty. We've topped these cupcakes off with some vanilla buttercream frosting, and we've also thrown in some cute little colorful hearts. If you want to see the recipe of this vanilla buttercream frosting, then do comment below. You can also gift these cupcakes to your friends or family by just taking a cake board and pasting these cupcakes like so. We have decorated it and gifted it to one of our friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed these blue velvet cupcakes on our channel. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also comment down below if you have more video suggestions and how you like this one.
Also guys, if you want to see more such quick creations, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we come up with a new quick creation. Do recreate this recipe and share it with us on Facebook and Instagram using the hashtag Quicreations. And that's it for today guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.